Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today is 2022, July the 19th. How to live trade Forex today in our Forex trading plan session. We're going to pick out some currencies to focus. Alright. Supra, Euro. Hi, good morning, Carol. Hi, Trinette. And hi Hubert, nice to see you. Good morning. Alright, so yes, now okay, Carol, yes, taken your prepare, you're going to have your tea. Okay, so yes, alright, and what we are going to do today, alright, quickly, okay, let's get into my MT4 over here, alright, and we are going to analyze what are the currency pairs that we are going to focus, okay, alright, so Sawadee krap, nice to see you here, alright, so yes, okay, so yes, before we start, okay, so of course I would like to ask everyone to smash the like button and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel once again. Alright, okay, so yes, serious, okay, so that we can build a community while we are having our live trading. Alright, okay, so let's see what do we have today. Okay, right, today yeah, last night, okay, I actually talk to my IT guys and we'll fix up, so hopefully later on in the UK hour everything is good. Okay. No more alien sound, huh? Alright, so yes, while I know you're having your lunch, some of you, okay, probably you can just listen. Okay, so Aussie CAD, okay, Aussie CAD today definitely is going for a no for trading right now. As I can see right now, okay, we are going into the bull very soon. Okay, so currently tentatively no selling for Aussie CAD. Okay, so let's move again to Aussie franc. Let's take a look. Aussie franc today we are also moving towards the north. So moving towards the north, basically right now what we are going to do is that, you know, we need to understand that there are certain points that we cannot sell. So once we cannot sell, then we have to skip since we are seller. Okay, keep it that way. Okay, so next again, right, Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. So Aussie yen, okay, now I'm monitoring it, okay, because right now as I'm looking at it, it's still testing on this resistance. Alright, so this resistance level, if this price can hold, then likely we are going to sell Aussie yen. Okay, right, so that Aussie yen will be good to sell, okay, by then. Okay, so currently let's see, okay, if I'm going to do this, right, skip this first, okay, Aussie yen, because we are pretty near, okay, we are pretty near, but then again is that it may happen on the second half of the day or probably on the next day. Okay, so yep, I'm looking for selling opportunity but not now. Okay, so let's move again to Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie Kiwi, yes, Aussie Kiwi, very obvious that we are still in the bull, we are still riding the bull to the moon, so tentatively no, skip this. Okay, so right now for Aussie dollar, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. We are same thing, Aussie dollar. Okay, so we are also on the move to the moon. So no, not to the moon, retracing upwards into the bull. Okay, so currently no selling for Aussie dollar. Right, so Euro Aussie, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie over here. So Aussie is pretty strong today, so looks like Euro Aussie is going to have a selling. However, it is still in the bull, crashing, trying very hard to crash into the bear. So I would like to have some monitoring first before I take action. Okay, Euro Aussie. All right. Okay, so now EURCAD. How about EURCAD over here? Well, EURCAD today, okay, we are in the bear. So after yesterday, the retracing upwards and testing on the resistance, seems like it's not breaking out. Okay, so it's not breaking up, then probably we can look out for a selling opportunity. Okay, but however, we still have to be careful as we are now Hi. Bamuji Dues. What should we trade? Okay, I'm actually now at the analyzing stage. So currently, I'm still looking out for the currency pairs to trade. Okay, so tentatively, later I will show out. Okay, I will show out what are the currency pairs I will be focusing to trade today, right? Okay, so let me go on with this EURCAD. Okay, so if EURCAD today I want to sell, okay, very likely I will be waiting for the testing of the resistance first. Why? Because over here, as we can see, when we move down to a smaller time frame, we are right now on the support, moving up for a higher support, moving up for a higher support. What does that mean? It's a sign of buying. It's a sign of buying to where? To test the resistance. Okay. So tentatively, I would say that the buying is still possible to reach the resistance there. Okay, we have about 23 pips. It's a very tight space. So since that is the case, okay, then very likely don't buy first, just wait. Okay, don't take the risk of that 23 pips to trade on the pullbacks. So currently, okay, just wait for it to reach the resistance before we take action. Okay, currently it's still good. Okay, and hopefully that we can see a new resistance coming. Okay, then we will be able to sell. All right. So EURCAD over here, tentatively, as we can see, all right, over at this point here, I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, at this point here in day one, okay, so we are still moving down on the bear. So after the retracement today, seems like the bull is getting weak. Then we are looking out for this opportunity to sell. All right. So currently, I'll be looking out for a situation where it tests the resistance first. Without breaking, then I will start selling. Okay, so yes, I will be putting in EURCAD into my watch list. Okay, later I will flash it out for everybody. Okay, so Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen. So Euro Yen today, right? Seems like we are going for selling, and next 2 days, okay, after we have waiting for quite a number of days, right? So since last week we have been waiting, am I right? So currently, looks like we are going for a selling. Okay, let's see where's the resistance level. Okay, this is the resistance level we have tested once, and seems like it's going to retest again. Okay, so yeah, what I'm looking out for, okay, is that it should be something that we should be looking out for. Okay, we should be looking out for. Then looking out for this to sell. Yes, looking out for this to sell. So since that is the case, okay, if we are going to sell, then it should be reaching our resistance level. Then I will start selling. That means to say Euro Yen, I'm going to wait for it to retest the resistance, which is still quite a while to go. All right. But currently, as for Euro Yen, if we are looking at this Euro Yen, it seems like now we are actually into the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull, correct? So are we still in the bull? Let me check. Okay. Sorry, no, we are not in the bull. We are in the bear. Okay, but just that the retracement is quite strong. Okay, so over here. So for Euro Yen, I will wait for it to test the resistance first. That may happen in the second half of the day. All right, so just wait for it to happen. Just like yesterday, it started to slide down from the resistance for about 85 pips, which happens on the second half of the day. Yes, so then probably we also have to wait once again, okay, to let it test on the resistance. Okay, Euro Yen will be on the second half of the day. Okay, so I'm going to put this Euro Yen, okay, into my watch list. As we can see, the second half of the day will be quite good. All right. Okay, so now let's move again. Okay, Euro Kiwi over at this point here. Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Right now we are in the bull, coming to retest the bear, and crash into the bear. Right, but tentatively it is still in the bull, so I wouldn't want to have an anti-trend trading. Right. So let's move on to Euro Dollar. All right, Euro Dollar. Well, euro dollar, I know there are many people who are actually trying to sell because we are reaching to 1:1. Like I say again, right? Euro dollar, yes, it ever hit 99. Okay, but then again, is it a good chance that we keep selling right now? No. Okay, because if I'm a European, okay, if I'm a European, all right, I would say that you know, I wouldn't be, you know, wanting my currency to drop. Am I right? If I'm the one of the policy maker, I will try to support the currency. So tentatively right now, it may be a situation that you know, all the Europeans, the EU, all these are maybe supporting the currency, maybe coming up with new policies, supporting the currency, and also coming up with new, probably with new policies that can strengthen the currency. So I think this is not the right time to sell at this moment. Okay, so I will stay away from euro dollar to sell. Okay, for the moment. If there's any selling opportunity, try to scalp it rather than to take a longer pitch. Okay, right? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so euro dollar, I will not put this into my watch list. Yes, pound Aussie. How about pound Aussie? Pound Aussie, yeah, we are coming back for a retesting. Right, so pound Aussie is actually coming in for a retest. So at this moment, okay, when we are looking at this retesting over here, we are actually still in the bull, and this bull is actually still testing on the gate into the bear. So tentatively, I will stay away as well. All right. So pound CAD, let's take a look at pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are in the bear, right? We are in the bear, so we should be looking out for buying. Am I right? Or selling? Understand? We are in the bear, so we are looking out for selling. That's right. Okay, so we are looking out for selling. So when we are looking out for selling, that means to say we are looking out for resistance. So resistance no change over here. So now creating a lower resistance right now. If the lower resistance is created, okay, then we have to take note of the support level over here, which is about 48 pips. Which is about 48 pips away. Okay, then we will be meeting up with one support level, which is quite a good space for us. Okay, so I'm gonna put pound CAD into my watch list as well. Okay. Right, so right now let's take a look. Pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc, we are in the bear, but the retracement yesterday, okay, has actually pulled up the price. Let's pull up the price over here. So currently, okay, if we are going to sell for this pound franc, right, we still have chance. Okay, but let's take a look. Resistance is over here, but it's not really yet. Okay, so probably pound franc may still have a chance to continue buying. Okay, so tentatively, this resistance has actually came down yesterday for about 48 to 50 pips. Does that mean today are we going to continue the selling? Probably, okay, but not strong enough. Okay, selling is not strong enough. So at the moment, right? So at this moment, pound franc, okay, pound franc is not really that fantastic right now. Okay, selling is possible as of now. Okay, but then again, by reading this, okay, selling is possible. Okay, but then we don't have a lot of space to go. We have about 20 pips of space that can able to sell. Okay, so pound franc, we can have a stop on that. Okay, pound franc. Okay. Yep, a bit slow, but then I will prefer to have it in the UK hour. Okay, right. Pound franc, yes, but remember, pound franc is a short-term profitable trade. Okay. Okay, so let's go with pound yen. Right, pound yen. Once again, pound yen has reached my targeted price, which is about 165,299 around there. Okay, 165,299. Okay, so 165,299 over here. Now we are meeting out with the resistance. Looks good, okay, to sell. However, right now We are in the middle. We have already started to sell. So probably we have to wait for one round of new cycle of selling like this. Green, red candle. Now we have a green, like red candle coming, am I right? But if you look back on these 4 candles, these 4 hours candle, it seems like it's ranging here. So it's not a very good way to sell. Okay, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to scalp it. If I'm going to buy, I will wait for the signal to buy until the resistance. Pound yen looks good. Okay, honestly, pound yen looking good. I still see that we still have a very good chance of 260 pips to go. Alright, if there's a selling signal. Okay, if there's a selling signal. So along the way, yes, we monitor this pound yen, and because of pound yen, I'm going to put this into my chart. Okay, my selling. Okay. Now once again. So over at this point here, right? Okay. So over here, okay, let's see. For pound kiwi, very obvious. We are still in the bull. So the bull is actually still ranging around this area. I will advise to skip immediately. Okay. So now let's go with pound dollar. Well, pound dollar today, it looks like yesterday we have a nice closing. After meeting of the resistance, it got rejected down. Right, it got rejected down. So at this point here, it seems like the buying is still quite strong over here. So tentatively, by looking at current situation, okay, that the buying now, right, buying is still strong to go. So that so I will say that tentatively look for the resistance level once again. All right. So is there any time that it will start to create a lower resistance? Then that will be a good one. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, it seems like a retracement, but so that it will continue to go the long way. All right, so where will be the good time that I can sell my pound dollar? All right, by looking at this point here, the pound dollar is actually still on this resistance, still waiting to test this resistance level. Okay, so still waiting to test this resistance level. So currently buying is still on the way, so I'm not going to put pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, so right now dollar CAD over here, right? Dollar CAD over at this point here. Are we going for a selling? All right, today it looks like it's going to be a good one that we are going for a selling. And right now, okay, we are in this we have a lower resistance over here. So currently, by looking at this dollar CAD, okay, we have about 15 pips away from the support. If we can break this support with a new resistance below like this, okay, then we can start selling on dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD. Okay, so I'm going to put dollar CAD into my watch list. Right, so next to go, dollar franc. Well, is dollar franc good? Dollar seems like it's weak now against so many currency pairs. Are we going to sell tentatively? I would say that we may have a good chance to sell. Okay, in H4 is good, but we are very near to the support. Okay, can you see the support level over here? Okay, so right now we are very near to the support. So this support level, okay, in this support level, I would prefer to wait for it to break the support level with a new resistance below, then I start selling. Okay, so this is something that we take note, right? Okay, so dollar franc. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Okay, so next to go is a spotlight now. So is this dollar yen continue to sell? Okay, already continue to sell. We are looking at the pullback here right now. So currently we are still in the transition area where it can go anywhere, any directions. So currently, okay, we are looking at these supports here. Okay, you can see the support over here. If this is to break, then we have a selling below, then probably we can take a chance. for about 60 pips. Okay, we have about 60 pips to do. Okay, so right now we have to wait for it to break the support first. Okay, then we will be able to know where are we going. Okay, dollar yen, we can pay attention to that. Okay, dollar yen, right? But not to enter now. Okay, now is not the right time to enter. All right, so yeah, let's move again. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin has achieved 22, almost 23. So tentatively, by looking at this, Bitcoin is coming to this level where some rejections have come in. We can see from the candle itself. So tentatively, I would say that the buying side on the buying from here to here, okay, is about there already. So probably you have to be careful. Okay, you have to be careful for buyers. Just wait for it to retrace downward first. Okay, then we'll see what to do. Okay, all right. Okay, so I guess that's about all for now. All right, so what we are going to do is that let's see what do we have. Right, let's see what do we have here. Okay, and right now we have EURCAD, we have Euro Yen, we have Pound CAD, we have Pound Franc, Pound Yen, Dollar CAD, Dollar Franc, Dollar Yen. Okay, so all these are going to get ready to short. Okay, I'm going to sell all these currencies. So later on when I come back around in the UK hour, okay, and we'll look out for all these currencies pair, okay, to see if there's any chance for us to sell. All right, if there's a chance for us to sell, yes, then we will move on with the selling. Okay, yeah, and yes, that's all for me today. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. I shall wish you good luck in your trading, and remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the video, to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we will be online together discussing how to trade, to share your view and take profit together. Okay, all right, so what most important is that click the bell, okay, so that ring up the bell, you will get notification whenever I go live. All right, okay guys, thank you so much for your time over here, and I shall be back later on in the UK hour. I shall see you guys again.